I have things to say. I've been coming for 9 years. I love these people.
Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Be relaxed. Slow.
I'll never forget it. It was the summer of 2016. Philando Castile and Alton Sterling had both been killed in the same day, and racial tensions were very high in the United States. And I called into work and took off for a week, and when I came back from that mini vacation, I Googled martial arts, and I called Master Gohring's Tai Chi and Kung Fu studio and said, I need to break things legally or I am not going to make it. And senior head instructor Natalie Durkin said, you should come in. And we had a conversation around Kung Fu or Tai Chi, and decided that Tai Chi was the martial art I needed to practice. And I've been coming ever since. And one of the things that I appreciate about Grandmaster Gohring is his ability to make everyone feel comfortable. He's an amazing educator. Like, he is an amazing teacher. For real. That's one of the biggest reasons why I decided to stay. So like his cross-cultural competency, his humility, and his ability also to help people in different contexts and different backgrounds to make sure that everyone feels safe and comfortable. I was like, that's caught and taught. He loves Tai Chi and can teach Tai Chi well. Merry Christmas, it's excellent. He gave me a couple of principles of Tai Chi that changed my understanding of the martial art, and I've seen him do that with every single person. I've never seen anyone come into the school at a beginning level or someone who's a 4th-degree black sash and is uncomfortable around him. He always pauses and makes sure everyone is present and their questions get answered. I love this place. The people are amazing. If you're curious about it, you should come check it out. It's a lot of fun.